How to fix games crashing on Windows 11. So in order to fix this issue, let's first open up the run command and here type sysdm.cpl, and this will open up the system properties. Go to advanced and click on settings under the performance tab, and here select adjust for best performance and click on apply and click on OK. And after this, open up the task manager, tap on run new task, click on browse, go to your system drive, go to Windows, open up system32 and here search for command.exe. Select open and tick mark on create this task with administrative privileges, click on OK, and from here type sfc /scan now, and by executing this command you will be able to clean up or repair any damaged files or drivers on your system drive. And after this, restart your computer and you should be able to fix your problem. So this is how you can fix games crashing on your PC on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.